Hello guys, and welcome back to WePlugin. In this video, I'll show you how to add a PDF viewer in WordPress using our WP display file. And after watching this video, if you have any doubt left, then you can watch our first video about WP display file plugin, where we've covered all the details. Now let's get started. First, just open up your WordPress admin panel. Now if you remember, we've created file and folder listing page in our first video about WP display file. Just open that page. Now as you can see, there is no preview for PDF file. Now how you can add preview to this? Just go back and hover your mouse to WePlugin. Now click on plugin list. Now search for PDF viewer for WordPress. Now just hit download. Now hit activate. Now this plugin is added in your WP display file. Now go to WP display file. Now as you can see, new option is added as PDF viewer. Just click on it. Now here we have the option to adjust the pop-up size. I'll keep it as default. Now just go back and hit refresh. Now if you click on PDF file, you can see there is an option to view PDF. If you click on it, you can preview the PDF file and go through pages in just in click. Now your users can download any PDF file without any confusion. And that's all, folks. This was very simple step, but if you have any doubt left, you can watch our first video about WP display file. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.